Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Kaye, and I am the founder of Optimal Wellness MD, our holistic medical practice. Today I'm going to be talking to you about and demonstrating what we call the vampire facial. The vampire facial is one of the procedures that we offer using platelet rich plasma. Platelet rich plasma is made from your own blood, thus the name vampire facial. But we're not actually using blood. We extract a serum containing platelets from your blood, and we call that the liquid gold because that has amazing regenerative properties. It's used in many medical specialties, but here at Optimal Wellness MD, we use it for facial treatments to rejuvenate your skin. We use it for regrowing hair on your scalp. We use it in men to treat erectile dysfunction. It's called the P-shot. We even use it in women to restore sensitivity during sex, and we call that the O-shot. It also works really well for urine leakage. But today we're using PRP for a facial treatment to treat Phyllis, my nutritionist. Phyllis works with me and has graciously volunteered to be filmed getting this procedure. So I'll let Phyllis say what she hopes to get out of it.
I'm excited about the whole procedure. I am not one to use a lot of foundation or makeup, so I do, need my skin to look healthier, and I'm hoping with this PRP that the way that they say it actually rejuvenates your skin and helps with fine wrinkles, because I am of that age. That it will be just that. So I'm very excited to do the whole procedure.
Great, and as Phyllis mentioned, the benefits of microneedling alone are improvement of fine lines, minor discolorations of the skin, improving collagen production, which makes the skin firmer and removes wrinkling, and it can treat acne scars and small blemishes in the skin. When we combine it with PRP, we greatly enhance all those effects. So that's what we're hoping to see. And we're going to do some before photos today, and then in a few weeks we'll do some after photographs and we can compare the results. So we're ready to get started. So the first step in making PRP is to do a blood draw. And it's a very standard blood draw. It's just like getting blood drawn at the lab, and we extract about 50 cc's of blood. And then we process it through some very sophisticated centrifuges and filters. And what we produce is about 6 to 7 milliliters of clear gold liquid, and that's the PRP. So the first thing we're going to do is my assistant Lisa is going to prepare Phyllis's hair and clean her face and get ready for me to apply the numbing cream. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting a combination of benzocaine, lidocaine, and tetracaine. It's a compounded formula that we made. We find this works better than what is standard. It's stronger. And we use it for a lot of our procedures that involve needles. Now we're going to let that sit for about 30 minutes, and then we'll clean it off and she'll be very numb. Phyllis is pretty numb right now, so what we're going to do is take this plastic off, and we're going to clean her face with alcohol. We're using the Skin Pen by Bellis Medical. This is the best microneedling device there is. It vibrates at 7,000 cycles per second. It has 36 needles, and it's completely sterile. You can see the handheld piece is covered by a sterile sheath, which we change with each patient. And the plastic tip, which contains the motor for the needles, is disposed of with each patient. So there is no possibility of one person's blood getting into someone else's face, and that's very important. The needles on this pen are perfectly smooth and straight. Some of the competitors that are cheaper, when you look at the needles, they're crooked. and bent. And you can just imagine bent needles being driven into your skin 7,000 times a second. And it's kind of turning your skin into a hamburger. We don't want to do that. We want to make nice, clean holes, microscopic pores, into which the PRP can flow without any extra damage. So that's why we chose to invest in this device. Now, while Phyllis is very numb from the topical cream, if, for example, she felt some pain during the procedure, we can use nitrous oxide at this office. We use it with the hair PRP, we can use it with the facial PRP, we can use it for other procedures that might be uncomfortable. The patient just holds a device in front and inhales, and they drift off and feel great. They don't completely stop breathing, so it's not dangerous. Because they're holding the handle, they control how much they get. So if they even fell asleep, they would drop it and wake up. The nitrous is 50% nitrous oxide and 50% oxygen, so there's no possibility of not getting enough oxygen. And it's very effective. So this is the PRP we've made from Phyllis's blood. As you can see, it's gold, not red. And this is what we're going to be applying to her face, and then using the microneedling device to drive it into the skin, where it will stimulate collagen growth, which will get rid of fine wrinkles and improve her skin quality. So Gianna's going to be dripping that on little by little as I go. So now what I'm going to do is use the rest of the PRP to make a nice mask. We have all these little micro channels open now, so we can just pour the PRP on, gently massage it in, and we'll go to work making new collagen.
Hi, I'm Phyllis. I am here after 2 weeks of receiving the vampire facial from Dr. Kaye. I was asked to be his model. The procedure was very easy, actually. It was just a little bit of downtime, maybe 2-3 days of being a little bit of uncomfortable discomfort, of a little bit of redness, almost like you have a maybe a sunburn. After that, using the creams that Dr. Kaye recommends, a lot of improvement in your skin, texture, tone, wrinkles. I see a tremendous difference in my skin. Actually even had somebody tell me that my skin looked different and asked what I was doing. This is the product that I used after Altar, which I feel that worked best. There was another line of products, and I think that this one here really helped. The whole process was absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it, especially if you do, if you're into peels and all of that. This is much more beneficial. I see tremendous results, and I'm very happy that he asked me to do it.